It's now 7:30 in the morning. Let's go for a ride. I have arrived here, and here is Ipoh. It's Sunday, and today I have to say that I go back to Ipoh again because I was born and raised here until after I graduate and relocate to Penang for good. But I often come back here because my mother and my sibling are still living here. So occasionally I come back here to see them, to see my family. So as a typical Ipoh guy who have been living here for 20 years, since I was born until I graduate, so I know every little corner and street in Ipoh. So there is no need for any GPS or navigation just to bring me around in Ipoh.
I'm a man of my word.
So now it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Now I'm here. This one is, they call it the Taman Dr. Srinivasagam. And in Chinese they call it DR Gongyun, where my mom always bring us, me and my brother, to come here to have some relaxed time when we are still about young, when they're still young. But I still occasionally come back here just for some relaxed time, because this garden, this ground is a very nice place for having fun. Okay, so let's have some rest after 2 hours ride. In front of me there is a river. They call it the Kinta River, where they developed this here to become like a tourism hotspot. Wow, it's been a long time since I came here. So this one on my left is the Ipoh main post office. I sometimes came here when I was small to pay off some, to send some mail and renewing my license. And to the front here, you can see this one is the only Ipoh train station. If you can see the facade of the building, the overall structure very much resemble of those England style, some British design. And yes, this building was built more than 100 years ago during the British colonial era. I also sometimes came here when I was small. Mom bring me here just to pick up some of my relatives who come to visit us in Ipoh. It's been a long time since I haven't came here. Still busy as usual. Many cars waiting to pick up their friends and relatives in this train station. On my right here is some park or some grounds with some water fountain and also light display during the night. A very nice place, if you ask me, just to come here to have some leisure time, especially at the night. This one here is the Ipoh Public Library. My mom often bring me here to study and doing some homework because I like the very silent and peaceful environment inside. Very big as well. Many books allow me to run and go back home to read. All those fond memories. Here on my left we have St. Michael Institution. It's a secondary school. Also, if you see the overall structure of the building, also very British style. This one was also same as the train station. Was built more than 100 years ago. Very famous school, tracing back all to its history. But I didn't study here. On my right here is the Ipoh Polo Ground. Merging up to this street. This one is called Jalan Sultan Idris Shah. But for Ipoh, we still address it as Brewster Road, Bostalot. This one is also served one of the two major routes in Ipoh, also constructed back in I think early 90s, when that time Ipoh was booming in tin mining industry. On the right I have Yikfung Complex, digital IT mall. When I was small, I always came here just to purchase those computer accessories and so digital things like the pen drives, CDs, and etc. You see, someone is bringing the laptop, the tower. Sorry, it's a tower. On my left here is now is UTC. Previously is Super Quinta, very famous shopping center back in the early 90s. And my mom usually bring all of us to come here shopping once a month. Here, this one on my right at the corner lot, this one is the first Ipoh McDonald's outlet. The oldest, but has been closed a few years back, and I don't know what is the reason they close it. What is the reason behind they close it? But I also often came here when I was during my childhood. But now it's no more. Oh, motorcycle stopping zone. Special. Normally I like to speed here. hitting this corner, this bend. This one on my left here is Ipoh Parade, a very prominent shopping mall in the Ipoh city center. And I think I haven't came here for the past 5 years since the first lockdown in 2020. So Jalan Sultan Idris Shah, Brewster Road, heading all the way up here. This roundabout is the water fountain with also a light display during the night. It's very beautiful. So you turn back on the other road, on the other side of the city. This one is called the Jalan Sultan Iskandar, but for Ipoh we still address it as Hyuk Lo Street, Yau Lo Gai. This is one of the two major routes in Ipoh serving the Ipoh main road. Very busy road in this too. So normally when I came back to Ipoh, I usually going to take one round, go up and go downtown again just for sightseeing and driving around Ipoh town, Ipoh city. In front here is the Kinta River. Passing over the bridge, we have two areas. Up here is called the New Town. Separated by this river, the downtown is called the Old Town. So if you usually go to some supermarket to find some coffee, you usually notice those Old Town white coffee. And the origin of white coffee is from here. This one in front of me, on the corner lot on the left, is Nam Hyung Cha Sat. He is the inventor of white coffee. Now is well known all over the world. Okay, let's go back to the place where I lived when I was small. This one.